Has this happened to you before? Stupid Grand Cherokee. So I did this purposely, actually. I wanted to see how to pull this little plastic cover off and show you how to put the mirror on at the same time. We're gonna take this guy off only. Try to be careful because you only want this part. So this squeezes in and it pops out towards you. Let me get it out. I'll show you. So I use something like this to just get into the crack, okay? There's a little tab right here. Oh, as it goes flying. Right there. That's where you're unlocking. You see? That's where you're unlocking. Let's pop it off the dash. Ooh. Okay, and then you're gonna align it counterclockwise or even clockwise. If I could do the same on each side. Does it really matter? So I'm not left-handed. See, there you go. It still lines up. You just want to turn gently, Wesley. You don't want to smash the windshield. Gently, Wesley. You're turning. Okay, there you go. Got it? Good. Like it? Don't wait. Wait. Let me show you how to put this back on. Because this is how it popped off. You have to, these little tabs right here, lock it into place. You see? So it's got two little feet on the bottom. These guys, these little tabs right here, they go in first. And it locks into place. Got it? Good. Like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.